What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that I will be separating this clump of xGRAPTOVERIA marpin. Now always remember, if you are purchasing a new succulent in a clump form, wait at least for 3 to 4 months before you separate the pups. This is a very old marpin that has been growing with me. Once the marpin tends to mature, they tend to put out a lot of pups, and these pups have reached a decent size, so I don't have any issues. Another important thing, the soil has to be completely bone dry when you are doing any such activity of taking out a plant from the soil. So we have taken out the clump. You can see it looks absolutely beautiful. I think there are 3 of them. A lot of dry leaves. I'll have to clean up the dry leaves and then start to separate them. I can already see a very evident stem, so I know exactly where to cut the stems. I'm not going to be cutting it completely. I'm going to leave some. I won't be cutting the stem completely. I will be leaving a good amount of stem on the mother plant so that it can produce some more pups for us in future. So I have cleaned all the soil to make the roots visible. So the best thing over here, you can see the pups also have roots. Now if you do not want to do a stem cutting, you do not want to wait. So what you can do is you'll have to slice this part very carefully from the mother stem if you want to have this good set of roots. The same thing with this one as well. I think this one I will be able to get a good amount of roots on this one, but because I want to have more and more of succulents, so I'm not going to be taking the stem part. I'm just going to be cutting it right over here so that we can get some more pups in future. So let's cut the first one. I think I will let the roots stay on the mother plant. I will just do a cutting and I can then air root it. So I'm just going to cut it right here. That's about it. I will do the cutting for the rest of them as well. So I have done the cutting. All the 3 pups have been separated. You can see they are of a good size. I have left enough stem on the mother plant because she is going to give us more pups in future. Now of course all of these are going to be kept in indirect bright light where there is a good amount of air circulation. We have to wait for 3 to 4 days for the cuts to callus and heal. After that I will transfer the mother plant into the soil because she already has roots, but these 3 are going to be kept out in order for them to air root. Once they air root, I will then transfer them to soil. So it is going to be a long process. Probably once everything is ready, I will give you an update video on this. So that's it for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.